So, what are we talking about today? Being double minded. So, the book of James says, a double minded man is unstable in all his ways. So, of course, that's the first scripture that I think about when I think about schizophrenia. Why is that? Because schizo, and then phrenia. So, in the olden days, before neurology separated from psychiatry, way back in the late 1800s, 1860s to 1890s, in that era, you had these people that would actually feel the brain or the phrenium, and they thought they could tell by the number of bumps on your head what kind of mental health concerns you had or things about your life. And it was just very, very interesting. So this is where we get a lot of our current terminology. Anything that you see that says phrenium, it's basically talking about the brain. So schizo actually means split. Okay, so schizophrenia is split mind. So now you see why the first scripture that pops in my head is double minded, right? James says a double minded man is unstable in all of his ways.